It's a monkey walking. So monkey walking in the jungle. Okay. So guys, have you seen this monkey? They are enjoying the life in the jungle, in the park. So this is a very beautiful park. So also people are doing exercise in the park, and so many animals. You can see also lake is here, beautiful lake. I'm showing you. You can see the lake side. Monkeys and other animals are living in the park, and this is a good jungle. So you see one big monkey is coming. And another monkey is also coming. So you can see there is a monkey. They are coming. This is a good jungle and beautiful jungle, and you can see so many people are enjoying in the park. Okay. So there is a bird also. So I hope that guys you will really enjoy after see this video. And this is a very beautiful place, beautiful park, beautiful jungle. So many things here to see.